Can your employer legally take away your leave days? Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you planned a much-needed holiday, only to have your leave request denied? It's a frustrating experience, and it raises an important question: can an employer simply take your leave away? Imagine this: you've meticulously planned a trip overseas, submitted your leave application well in advance, 3 weeks ahead, to be precise, only to be met with a flat-out denial from your employer. They claim your leave is unapproved, and, to add insult to injury, they inform you that those days are now considered taken. What does that even mean? Naturally, you're left wondering, what happens to the leave that was denied? Do you get those days back? Can you reapply? When you seek answers, the response is disheartening: it's gone. Just like that. This situation feels not just unfair, but potentially illegal. After all, how can a company simply erase your entitled leave days? A quick search on the Ministry of Manpower's website doesn't provide any clarity, leaving you feeling even more confused and frustrated. So, is this legal? Can they really make your leave days disappear into thin air? Let's take a look at what others are saying about this perplexing issue. 1. This is nonsense. If it's not approved, it shouldn't count as taken. They're robbing you of your paid days. 2. No way. By law, you're entitled to a minimum amount of leave each year if you've been with the company for over 3 months. Your contract should specify how many days you get. Just because they reject your application doesn't mean those days vanish. Talk to HR if you have one, or email your boss directly. 3. They can deny your leave request, but that doesn't mean you've used those days. Make sure to file a complaint with HR and the Ministry of Manpower. 4. Exactly. If your leave is denied, it's still yours. If your leave balance drops without you actually using those days, that's just wrong. 5. Send them an email and get their response in writing. If they stick to their guns, you can report them to the Ministry of Manpower. But be prepared, they might just ignore your email and confront you instead. 6. This isn't legal. Don't hesitate to threaten them with a complaint to the Ministry of Manpower. It's clear they have a stingy boss who's more interested in showing off than treating employees fairly. 7. Check with HR first. If their response doesn't satisfy you, escalate it to the Ministry of Manpower. They can't just take away your leave if you haven't used it. Navigating the complexities of leave policies can be daunting, but remember, you have rights. Don't let your employer take away what you're entitled to without a fight.